have a reaction now coming in from Uddhav Thackeray as well. Opposition clearly in Maharashtra is targeting Mahayuti government. Let's listen in.
जे कोणी गुन्हेगार जबाबदार असतील त्यांना तर लवकरात लवकर केस चालवून मग ते फास्ट ट्रॅक म्हणा किंवा काही म्हणा. आपल्याला अनुभव आहे की गेल्या काही वर्षांपूर्वी दिल्लीमध्ये निर्भया कांड झालं होतं. निर्भयाचे सगळे आरोपी पकडले, गुन्हे साबित झाले, पण 20 वर्षांनी त्यांना फाशीमध्ये गेलं. आणि मग ह्या सगळ्या दिरंगाईला जबाबदार कोण? जेवढे एखाद्या महिलेवरती अत्याचार करणारे गुन्हेगार हे त्या घटनेसाठी जबाबदार असतात, तसंच त्याचा न्याय निवाडा करून त्याच्यावरती शिक्षेची अंमलबजावणी करायला दिरंगाई करणारे सुद्धा जबाबदार धरले पाहिजे. हे जर का झालं तर आणि तरच अशा गोष्टीला आळा बसेल. फक्त मी एवढंच म्हणेन की अशा घटनेचं राजकारण न करता, जसं आता हाथरस पुलाव, त्याच्यानंतर राजस्थानमध्ये काही घडलं, आता बदलापूरमध्ये घडलं, अगदी तिथे काही घडलं, त्यांचे सुट्टा कामा नये. सगळेजण पक्षभेद जातपात विसरून एकत्र झाले तर आणि तरच आपल्या देशातल्या आणि राज्यातल्या महिला सुरक्षित राहतील.
जो छोटे छोटे बच्चों पे अत्याचार होता है वो पूरे महाराष्ट्र को एक शर्म आनी चाहिए ऐसी घटना. ये पुलिस विभाग की आज कानून व्यवस्था पूरी बिगड़ चुकी है. उनकी सबकी मांग है कि फास्ट ट्रैक पर चलाया जाए, 3 महीने के भीतर में ये नराधम को फांसी हो और ऐसे आरोपी को किसी भी हालत में छूटना नहीं चाहिए. ये हमारी मांग है.
Let's go back to Arunil, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Arunil, we just heard what Uddhav Thackeray had to say. Clearly, this is something that is going to become a big issue. And now even the opposition is targeting the Mahayuti government, simultaneously trying to suggest that on this issue, we all need to be united because it is about the safety of women in the country. And here we are talking about extremely young girls. Now, he's also demanding that this should be tried in fast-track court.
Well, there is no doubt, Hina, that this incident is extremely heart-wrenching, very unfortunate, and it basically raises serious questions on the school's authority as well, because the parents basically are also alleging that the cleaner was hired via third-party contract and proper checks and balances were not done in this case. Now, speaking about the political allegations, it clearly provides ample ammunition to the opposition in Maharashtra as well. We have seen that how the ruling dispensation, that is the 3 parties of Mahayuti, BJP, CM Shinde, Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar's NCP, they try to take advantage of the Ladki Bahin Yojana, the Ladli Bahin Yojana that has been announced by the Maharashtra government, in which rupees 1,500 is been deposited in the accounts of several women in the state of Maharashtra who basically are from the underprivileged background. The ruling dispensation was hoping that they will gain advantage with respect to the elections being round the corner.
Right.
Such kind of incidents, the allegations are now being leveled by the opposition, saying that on one hand you are giving money to our women, but the security of women are highly
well, that's what even some of the protesters were telling us. That's what Shweta told us, that protesters are saying instead of Ladli Behen Yojana, we want Surakshit Behen Yojana. We want the safety and security of women, the girls in the state of Maharashtra to be ensured. Arunil, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. We'll